thinking in terms of enabling some of these new economy opportunities for Pakistan, such that, yes, we deal with the crisis, but look 5-10 years down the future and say we're investing in the new economy for the country?
So let me just confess that I really don't know what Web3 is.
It's
So I mean, you know, so
yeah. There's something in your binder.
Yeah. Okay. So that said, and that should tell you a little bit about where we would be 5 years, right? No, but the Deputy Governor of State Bank, Mufta, is sitting here. I invite him to chime in whenever he thinks he needs to. I don't really know so much about this. I know that the fintech and new industry, the new technology companies in Pakistan have attracted a lot of money last year, and you're right, from a very low base. And we want to, have them flourish as much as we can. I don't really know much that we can do to help them. I know a lot we can do to harm them. So I think as long as the government stays away from them, that would help them. But seriously, there is a tendency in Pakistan that as soon as you see a business, incipient business coming up, we'll start taxing them. So I'll resist that urge to tax them, but I'll let them be and let them play their own game, and hopefully they'll rise and keep the government away from them. That's my short answer. But I really am not very educated on fintech and all that stuff. If you want to add something, please go ahead about the digital currency and all that, especially.